We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey.
Oh,
no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys. You driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. We're going to go get my vehicle and get it from the shop. There's a couple other things I got to do. But, yeah. So you driving with 60BaeGrey? Got my t-shirt. Got going on. Oh, I got my glasses on. You can't see me?
Hey, man. I'm looking for you.
What?
Yeah. I seen you with that car.
Man, I don't know what you're talking about.
No. You need to come down to the precinct.
Whoa. Hey. What's going on? Hey, you see it? They got me. Wait a minute. I didn't even do anything.
Give me the car.
What? This, man, I didn't even do anything. Really?
We'll talk about it.
What? Man, this is ridiculous. What the? Really? Oh my God. Hey guys, I just got arrested. Man, I don't even know what. Bruh, I didn't even do anything. I wasn't even driving fast. What's going on?
We'll talk about all that when we get to the precinct. Don't you worry.
What? The precinct? Wait a minute. Hold on a second. I'm 60BaeGrey. I'm not a criminal. No cap.
Who you are?
What?
You're not above the law.
What? Oh man, this is ridiculous, man. They got me in the back of the squad car, man. Man, I ain't never been in the back of the squad car. Okay, that's a lie. But no, man. What you want, man? Well, I ain't even do nothing. Bruh, man, you got to take me back home. Seriously, no cap. Listen, I don't want no problems. I want to get, I don't want no problems. Seriously.
That's okay. We'll solve everything once we get there.
What? Wow. That's crazy, man. What? Man, y'all driving with 60BaeGrey. I guess you driving with the police now, though. No cap. But, hey, guys, this is ridiculous. I didn't even do anything, and they got me in this car. The music is playing. I don't know why the music is playing. Can you turn the music down, please? I'm not trying to get copyrighted, because I'm over here, but I'm filming all this. All right? Oh, thank you. Oh, Officer Friendly. This guy. What you on, man? You like 6'4"? Where do you bother me? I'm like 3'4". I'm a small dude. Where you going? Bruh, listen, man. Bruh, this guy, I don't even know what's going to happen right now. All I know is I was trying to get to my car, and this guy, well, this police officer, Officer Friendly. Police officers are nice, but I don't know what. I didn't even do anything. So, officer, when I grew up, we used to call you guys Officer Friendly. So, I'm confused. Why are you so aggressive with me? Well, now you're not going to talk to me? See, if you don't say nothing to me, I'm going to call the police. On my phone, man, I'm going to call the police. I'm going to count to 3. And if you don't count to 3, I'm going to call 911. No cap. I'm going to call 911. I'm being abducted. Bruh. Listen, this guy's tripping. I gotta hit you back on the next video, man, to let you know what actually happened with this. I don't even know why. Man. Alright guys, I'm out.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip. No cap. Step back, drop it. dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz.